My name's Idam Wayao. I'm the VP here at Rhino Linings of San Diego. I think what separates us from the rest is that we're the original Rhino Lining store. Out of all the different applicators, I think 1,400, something like that worldwide, we are literally #1. In addition to obviously what I call the master sprayers, especially of our Rhino Linings product, we've got certified welders, we've got certified technicians, we've got guys that specialize in lift kits. You name it, we can pretty much do it here. So we're kind of a one-stop shop for all your needs. If a guy walks in the door, we've probably done their uncle's truck or their father's truck, their grandfather's truck. I literally have 3rd and 4th generation customers in here that come in and say, hey, I had my Rhino Linings down here back in 1989, and I've been so happy with the product that I keep coming back. They appreciate the good service that we offer, they appreciate the great products that we sell, and we're very competitive. Well, I'd say personally and as a company, how we contribute to the community is we love sponsoring like Little League teams. We love sponsoring different events, building vehicles and parking them at dealerships to just get our brand awareness out there. We're a big part of supporting any cause. Let people know that yes, we are giving back to the community. So if you're a consumer and you just went out there and bought yourself a brand new Jeep or a brand new truck and you're looking to get anything done to that vehicle, that you want to get top quality service, some of the best products offered, come on down and see us here at Rhino Linings of San Diego. We'll make sure that we take care of you in every way possible and keep you coming back.